All right, so first off, you're gonna go ahead and just spray all this bottom portion of the rocker. And this is an area, there is a plastic trim right here, but even though this is a pretty fast car, so it kicks up a lot of dirt right under there, right below that body line. So we're gonna go ahead and protect this. And first off, we're gonna start with this small little area, that's a fender. I have my piece actually right here. And all you wanna do is just put it on like this. It goes slightly inside the line, so just kind of slide it out like that. And once you feel comfortable, you're just going to go ahead and place some slip. And go ahead and do it lightly. If it's not tacking, part of it is I actually have PPF on this area already, so it's a little bit less tacky than what you're probably going to deal with. But you want to kind of go light, and then after that, just go a little bit harder gradually. Okay, since I do have PPF, I'm going to go ahead and remove this. That was just for demonstration. But next, we're going to go ahead and do this middle section right here, which is a little bit of a longer piece. All right, I'm going to go ahead and put this down. All right, here we go. We're gonna go ahead and get started in this corner. We'll put some tack. Get right to the edge. And once you're comfortable with that, go ahead and tack that. Notice how it doesn't actually go all the way. It just makes it a little bit easier. And then next, it's right here. And then you're gonna do the same thing that you did on the other side. You're gonna go ahead and use your thumb. And now that you have both ends done, you can just use your 2 fingers like this and lift it up like so. And then once you're comfortable, spray some tack and gently, for now, go ahead and tack the middle. Now you can deal with this and then this separately. Since we're right over here, I'm gonna get a little comfortable right here and make sure that everything is good. And it is. I'm gonna hold it down with my 2 thumbs like this. Spray some slip. Some tack up there. Then we can go ahead and start squeegeeing the rest down. Now this area is protected. This looks really good. Now we're gonna go ahead and deal with this. Spray some slip. This one actually lines up really well. Pretty happy with that. I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of loosen it up. I like spraying tack on the top. And then let's go ahead. I would say like 50% right now. So you're not going ultra hard just yet. You're just going gentle strokes. And then we're gonna do this all over again one more time. We call this double take. We're gonna go ahead and focus on all of this. And attack the middle right around there. And then really focusing on this body line right here. And then right here. Here's the thing that I'm gonna warn you. A lot of the water like sitting right there. So let's go ahead and do this one more time and we're gonna tack this edge, okay? So I'm gonna focus on this body line. I'm gonna go all the way out. And this is also important. Just go ahead and wick away some of that moisture right here so it doesn't fall back down. So now we've got the front, the middle, and then we're gonna do the last part. And we're gonna do the same thing. This one is interesting because it goes all the way back here. And the reason why we did this is because, well, it kicks back all the way to the top. And because this is a pretty fast car, it's important to protect all the way up there, right? On top of just this area. So it extends out all the way. We're gonna go ahead and spray a lot of this slip solution. And then I got my piece right here. I'm gonna go ahead and just get that little dry spot right here. And because it's dry, it sticks. And then I could just extend this out all the way out, just like that. And that is a good reverse roll. Okay? So now we're going to go ahead and loosen that up. Okay. All right. So this is the most important part right here in the bottom corner. You also want it right to the edge, but not over the edge. So we're going to go ahead and use our thumb to make sure we align it perfectly. They can move a little bit to the left side. It's kind of hard to see because it's so clear. And once we're comfortable, go ahead and spray some tack into this corner. Just hold it gently and go ahead and tack it all down. Okay? This corner is the most important part. And then next is right here. Tiny, tiny, tiny little stretch. And I mean tiny. Okay, just like this. You want to make sure it aligns with the other piece right here. That's why we do that kind of last. And just like this. Okay. Awesome. So now that we have all of this, it should line up pretty naturally. If it doesn't, you can actually hinge this up and then hold this with your fingers. Spray some tack. And then since I'm holding it, it's staying aligned. I'm going to focus on this top part of the body line. And then remember not to go back into this area because you actually tack that with some tack solution. Awesome. So we're going to do that one more time. Just making sure that everything is good. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and focus on this. If you look at this, it actually naturally fits the edge right here. So I'm very happy with this. We're going to go ahead and hydrate it just a little bit. And then we're going to go ahead and tack this top corner right here, which fits perfectly right there. So then we can push this in if you need to. Right now it just fits beautifully, honestly. And then I can start moving outwards this way. Okay. You notice this piece goes pretty high up, which is really good. So now this whole top edge and the side edge, we're going to go ahead and make sure that's all sealed. This is before you do this, you'll just want to make sure, like what I just did, making sure there's no dust or anything before doing this part. Okay? And then we're going to go ahead and wipe it down. Same thing like the middle one. You just want to make sure there's no moisture that sits right here. What's going to happen, it's going to want to come down and it's going to create bubbles like it just did right here. Okay? You want to go outwards, not from the edge in, because that's going to cause some issues. Right? But now, look at that. You can barely see it and it's protected all the way around from a lot of fun that you're going to have.